In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Firefox mobile app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So by updating your Firefox browser, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this browser, and also this will help you fix any errors or security issues that are related to your Firefox app. To do so, you need to access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and look for Firefox. Now here's my Play Store. I'll go ahead and tap on it and then use this search option here and search for Firefox. Now as you can see, our Firefox browser is here and there is an update. This means I've been using an outdated version of Firefox browser. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Firefox app and then install it on your smartphone. Once installation is done, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Firefox app. So that's how you can update your Firefox app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.